Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to access your Google Apps Gmail account using Microsoft Outlook 2007. So the first thing you'll need to do is head on to mail.google.com/a/ whatever domain name that you're using for your Google Apps account. In this example I'm using docane.com.au. So the first thing we'll need to do is click on the link called Settings and click on Forwarding and POP/IMAP. And on the IMAP access section, we need to make sure that your IMAP is enabled. So click on Enable IMAP and click on Save Changes. Okay, so that's all we need to do on our Gmail account. So now what we need to do is bring up Microsoft Outlook 2007, and I'm going to show you how to configure your client so that we can access our emails using Microsoft Outlook. So in Microsoft Outlook, we need to click on Tools and then Account Settings. We're going to create a new account. Leave it on the first selection where it says POP3 IMAP or HTTP. Click Next. You need to type in your name, your email address, and your password. Select or tick off Manually Configure and click Next. Leave it on the first option, which is Internet Email, and click Next. Verify that you have your correct name and email address. For the account type, select IMAP. For our incoming mail server, type in imap.gmail.com, and for our SMTP, it's smtp.gmail.com. Username is your email address, and type in your password. Now we need to click on More Settings. Under the Outgoing Server tab, make sure you tick off my outgoing server requires authentication. Now click on the Advanced tab, and for the incoming server we need to type in 993, and the encryption method is SSL, and the outgoing server is going to be 587, and our encrypted connection is TLS. Now if you change it to TLS, it might go back to the default, which is port 25, so just make sure that you change that to 587 and click OK. So that's all we need to do to configure our our Microsoft Outlook 2007. To verify that we did everything correctly, click on the Test Account Settings button, and the first test is the login, and the second test is the sending test, which is testing out our SMTP. I believe, we misspelled SMTP here, so we need to change that to SMTP, and then click on Test Account Settings again. So I'm glad that actually that errored out, because that shows you things that you can run into if you don't put your correct settings in. So make sure you verify all your settings so that both will check OK. So once you're finished, click Close, click Next on here, and finish. Now if you look on the left column, now we have our account, which is angelo@docane.com.au, and that's it. Thanks for watching.